Hi guys, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. So, September 1 tonight. So, hindi niyo ako maitatali. Nakatago ako. Shoutout kay Brother Jerry na nag-request ng any song of Jose Marichan. Para sa ito, Brother Jerry. Whenever I see girls and boys selling lantern on the street, I remember the child and the manger as he sleeps. Whenever other people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let Him wait one to guide us as another New Year starts. Or maybe this Christmas be always in our hearts. Every prayer and every song, the community unite, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Let love like that starlight on the first Christmas morn, let it walk to the manger where Christ the child was born. So come, let us rejoice, come and sing a Christmas carol with one big joyful voice. Proclaim the name of the Lord. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. These seasons we will never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let Him be the one to guide us as another New Year stars. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. These seasons may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let Him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always